The Faroese Research Council, or the Grand Singer Roya, is an independent public institution that advises the Faroese government and industry on matters of research policy and funds research and development projects through a grant from the Faroese government. In 2012, the grant was around €890,000. More than 100 projects have been funded since 2002, encompassing all areas of research, from the natural and life sciences to the humanities. Nearly half of all grants have been for PhD research projects. The Council's website, gransking.fo, offers a wealth of information about the research community in the Faroes and beyond, and one may subscribe to an electronic newsletter.